So today we're going to be doing an unboxing from taiwangun. They had a flat shipping fee to the United States for an inexpensive item. It's about $49. For a a more expensive item, it goes down to $39. So this entire box is $39 shipped. Ordered 2 rifles, some eye protection, a grenade, a few other random things should be in here. Very well packaged.
It's not pink.
Aww.
Wasn't it supposed to be pink?
It was supposed to be pink. First thing we have is a face mask. This was, I believe, $6. Very nice. Here we have a 120 round green gas grenade. This was, I think, $9 on sale, which is extremely cheap. These were free, 0.25 grams, 500 rounds. I have 12-to-1 ratio gears from Big Dragon. I believe these were like $12, $13, pretty good for the gear set. And of course the Germany patch, which will go a lot better with what else we're doing. Is these right here. And then the goggles. Purchased them to hopefully go with the mask. I have another thing coming in, but this is a pretty cheap combination and looked somewhat decent quality-wise. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks actually real comfortable, and then you can trim it to fit. Alrighty, let's take a look at the first one. You want to lift it up?
Oh, it's a sticker or something.
Ooh, oh, the shims.
What?
The shims for the gears. I also bought a shim set for, I believe it was like $3. Very well packaged. You know, the things that matter are the guns, and they are very well packaged. Now, one of the guns that I purchased, I only purchased it in black because they did not have tan. They did have tan, but it was out of stock, and I didn't want to have to pay another $50 for shipping when it came in stock, so I just bought the black. So Zora is right now digging into the 416, which should be the 811, 812 model. Wow. Okay. Oh, cool. Okay, so we have the rifle. We have a high cap magazine. Manual. And the 416 itself. Ooh, that looks good. I wonder if there's any kind of replaceable tip or anything in the box. Insert. So unfortunately, it came with only the magazine. It also didn't come with a battery, but I don't think they were supposed to come with batteries. I think older D-Boys guns used to, but these are both Double Bell branded, which is, I believe, the current D-Boys company. This 416 looks incredible. We'll take a closer look at it in a second. So here we have, from there, we have their phone number, inspection, and the FPS reading, distance firing, 10 shots. Yeah, cool, shoots right around 400 feet per second. A little hot, but they have the quick change spring system. Zora, would you like to put the magazine inside of it and we can set it aside? Yeah. Wow, that looks good. And that's a full metal 416 with the proper 416 stock, slightly different pistol grip, and the full length rail and 14.5-inch barrel. Awesome gun. Alrighty. Here, I'll set this guy aside while you move on to this box. There you go. It's good. She likes boxes. Ooh, we have another velocity report here. And this one is actually zip tied in place. The other one was not.
Oh, the other one was, but it was broken.
Oh, okay. Well, this one of them's broken.
Scissors for this one.
This, on the other one, the charging and battery inspection was crossed out. Got it. Alright. This one just over 400 feet per second, and here we have the Black Scar. Okay, so comes with a high cap magazine, a instruction manual that shows the tan scar that I wanted on it, and this gorgeous flash hide. This is awesome. Ooh, I think the entire outer barrel might come off. Like that. Double checking there's nothing else in it. Awesome. Okay, so we have two guns right there. Awesome. Absolutely fantastic. Zora, I would like you to try the bolt catches on each one. Start with the scar, so pull the bolt back and lock it back to the rear. Okay, lift it up. So it does have a functioning bolt catch, and then press the bolt release on the opposite side. You know, button sticking out. Yeah. Ooh, okay, do it on this one. So this one, you're gonna pull the charging handle. Now you gotta pick it up and then grab it with both hands. Yeah, there you go. Okay, as you can see, it does lock back, opens up, locks open so you can adjust your hop up. And then when you wanna release it, go ahead and press the bolt release. Yeah, cool. That one's obviously a lot lighter, but definitely both VFC clone guns. Here, let's test these guys out. For a second, just go over the guns. Now, these are both mini connector guns. Unfortunately, I only have one really shitty battery to use them with, but it will work if you want. Go that again. Start with the 416. So it has, again, the VFC style stock. Very nice. Short little connector on it, but it should lengthen up once I add the Dean's connections. That's not much of an issue, but this is just to test it and see. Sounds good. This other one I'll try. Ooh. Wow, that's not actually supposed to be like that. So this was supposed to be the type that had the two pieces right there, but this is, I guess, the older style. I know the older D-boys used to have that, but apparently I was thinking they would have the two clips right there to make it not have two wires. But that's fine. Wires are easy to replace, easy to maintain, but something you have to be careful of. Let me get a screwdriver real quick to pop that out all of the way.
There's one on the bed.
Ooh, it is captured. The pin, maybe not. No, it's not. Highlight, the pin's not captured, but there is. My adapter just yeeted itself. So we're gonna do it this way. Semi-automatic, fully auto. Safety works. Stock does fold and lock, however it definitely does have the wires in the back. I wonder if it has the tool in the front side. Yeah, it does have the tool in the front sight like the VFC. So it's, I guess, a VFC copy of sorts. I might do an internal review of this. If you guys want to see an internal review of the gun and further reviews of each one, please like and subscribe. Zora, would you like to show them each off one more time? Show you, is pretty fond of the German gun. Careful about closing the stock. But there we are. Gorgeous scar heavy right there. Very nice. That guy down, the 416. Ooh, I do like that gun very much. 416 looks great. Alrighty, thank you for watching.